So guys, we are about to have another train pass through here, so yeah guys. So I'm gonna see what the type of train it is, so yeah guys. It is coming actually, so yeah guys. See what it is, so yeah guys. Pacific National 9310, 9202 and TT 140. It is a Pacific National loaded coal train, so yeah guys. And this train has 82 wagons, so yeah guys. So guys, this train is heading to Newcastle, so yeah guys. Don't know for sure what coal mine that is from, so yeah guys. So guys, took a bit of a while for another train to come, so yeah guys. Full of coal this train, so yeah guys. And also, this train has some faded Pacific National stickers and a bit of graffiti on that train, so yeah guys. Looked like a few whiter stickers. I don't know if they're newer. More white than the other stickers. The end of the train, so yeah guys.